Kodiak driverless robo-trucks represent a major advancement in freight transportation. Powered by the Kodiak driver system, these autonomous semi-trucks utilize modular sensor pods, combining LiDAR, radar, and cameras for complete 360-degree awareness. They feature redundant steering, braking, power, and computing systems, enabling safe operation without a human driver. Kodiak has validated this technology through real-world deliveries, completing over 100 propane shipments under challenging conditions. While public pricing varies based on customer requirements, the potential for continuous operation, reduced human error, and lower long-term costs makes these robo-trucks an attractive option. They offer fleets a forward-looking solution for efficient and safe autonomous trucking. The DF Advanced Emergency Braking System, AEBS, serves as a constant safety companion for drivers. Its third-generation technology uses dual radar with 16 antennas, and newer models combine radar with camera detection. This enables monitoring up to 250 meters ahead with a wide 120-degree field of view, far surpassing older systems. If a potential collision is detected and the driver fails to react, AEBS automatically applies the brakes to prevent accidents or reduce impact severity. Integrated with adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning, AEBS boosts safety, confidence, and peace of mind, making long-haul driving safer and less stressful. The Holmes DTU converts a standard road tractor into a versatile heavy-duty tow and recovery truck. Designed for quick attachment or detachment in minutes, it allows the tractor to stay productive even when not towing. The system provides a retracted underlift capacity of up to 35,000 pounds and 16,000 pounds when extended, along with a standard 20,000-pound planetary winch for dependable vehicle recovery. Optional upgrades, including higher capacity winches, remote controls, hydraulic wet lines, and tool storage, enhance flexibility. Pricing depends on configuration, but the Holmes DTU offers fleets a practical, reliable, and work-ready solution for towing and recovery operations. The Freightliner Cascadia MirrorCam system replaces traditional side mirrors with roof-mounted cameras that stream high-resolution images to in-cab displays. This provides a wider field of view and greatly reduces blind spots, enhancing driving awareness. Infrared lenses and hydrophobic coatings maintain clear visibility in rain, fog, and low-light conditions. By removing the need to constantly turn the head, MirrorCam reduces driver neck strain and fatigue on long trips. It also improves aerodynamics compared to conventional mirrors, boosting fuel efficiency. When combined with Cascadia's advanced safety features, MirrorCam offers a significant upgrade in comfort, safety, and driving confidence for long-haul operations. The cable drum roller trailer is an efficient solution for electrical, power, and telecom installation projects. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, strong axles, and a hydraulic lifting system, it safely transports large and heavy cable drums. Many models handle loads of 8,000 kilograms or more and accommodate drum diameters from approximately 1,100 millimeters to 2,800 millimeters, depending on configuration. The roller design enables smooth cable payout on site, often operable by a single person. Ideal for projects with frequent heavy cable handling, this trailer saves time, enhances safety, and serves as a reliable long-term investment for contractors and utility operators. The Palfinger Skip Loader ST14 is a versatile and robust solution for transporting and handling waste, construction materials, and industrial loads. Designed with durability and efficiency in mind, it features a strong steel frame, reliable hydraulic lifting system, and user-friendly controls for quick and safe loading and unloading of skips. Its flexible design allows operation across various vehicle types, making it ideal for urban and industrial applications. With high lifting capacity, precise handling, and low maintenance requirements, the ST14 ensures dependable performance. The Palfinger Skip Loader ST14 combines safety, efficiency, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for fleets and contractors seeking a reliable waste management solution. The Max 100 semi-trailer is a versatile heavy-duty solution for industrial and transport operations. Available in 2 to 6 axle configurations, it features air suspension and 17.5-inch tires for a low loading height, ideal for construction equipment, machinery, oversized loads, and specialized cargo. Its extendable platform adds flexibility for long or bulky freight, while optional features such as hydraulic ramps, adjustable width, wheel recesses, lift axles, and container locks ensure safe and efficient transport. Pricing depends on specifications, with used Max 100 trailers typically ranging from $39,000 to $99,000. Reliable, durable, and adaptable, the Max 100 delivers dependable performance for demanding heavy transport tasks. The Napen Floor Protection Sheet is a practical solution for operators transporting abrasive, wet, or messy cargo. Designed for moving floor trailers, its air pressure-operated roll-up sheet slides easily into place, protecting the trailer floor from damage caused by materials like metal chips, sand, glass fragments, or damp loads. The system can be fully integrated or detachable, allowing easy use and maintenance. By preventing scratches, leaks, and long-term wear, it helps extend trailer life and reduce maintenance costs. Pricing varies by configuration, but the added floor protection makes it a valuable investment for operators who frequently handle demanding cargo types.